was saying, I actually saw a bison. It was hovering on the side of the road eating grass. As I approached, it started moving towards my direction. So I decided to back up and give it some space, because temperament can change any moment with animals. You never know. And I wasn't willing to take that chance, because, you know, my bike Black Pearl, he may have mistaken me for something that I was not. So I backed up, and being that I know how to control riding in the gray, I just made a tight U-turn and went back the other way. Then I actually came back around and actually passed it. It was on the right side of the roadway, but better safe than sorry. That's how I feel. Welcome to Sturgis. Coming in here to Sturgis Harley Davidson. See what they got. Nice. Said the lot was full. Believe them? Give me a white t-shirt. Howdy. How you doing?
I'm ready. Yeah. Working the Harley Davidson.
Yeah.
And I don't know how do you wear your shirts a little bigger anyway? I'm sorry, dear.
It's okay. I saw my size.
Can I help you find anything else?
I think that'll be it.
No, I'm okay.
Okay, not a problem.
Yes. Okay, all right.
Is there anything else that you're looking for?
Well, I saw this one online. I have so many black t-shirts that it's
Yes.
time to cool off,
I agree.
especially here.
Yes, I agree. Well, we have some other lighter colors down if you want some light gray or anything like that too, or even
Okay.
there's like a light green towards the end if you like that as well.
Okay, I'll check them out. Do you guys also, I was looking for like a nice denim button down?
Yeah, so we've got some denim or some button-down shirts right up here on the wall. I can take you over to them. Where'd you come from?
Atlanta.
Oh wow! So you
Yeah.
had quite the trip.
Yeah, quite the trip. I didn't realize
Did
it was
you ride
this
it the
far
whole way?
west. Yeah, I did.
Yeah. So we come from Kansas, and
Okay.
this is the first year that we trailered. But so we have these few button-downs, and then we have several nicer shirts on the wall if that's what you're going for.
Okay.
It just depends on some people's definition of a button-down. Is
I mean, yeah, this
little
is it. I just wish this was like a darker denim,
yeah.
but
But we've got several over here
Okay.
for you to still look at. So we've got
Sweet.
everything on plaid. These are all gonna be your cutoffs, and then this will start your short sleeves, and then your
Okay.
long sleeves, and then your plaids. And your decorative colors.
So thank you very much.
You are
What's
very
your name?
welcome. Nikki.
Nikki. Say cool.
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.
If you need any additional help or any other sizes or anything, let us know, okay?
Okay, we'll do.
All
Thank
right,
you.
thank you. Huh. There you got your little wall.
That's pretty cool.
Seeing this one, I like it, but I don't know. Such a matchy person.
That's not it. We have this one.
Oh, well. Let me sign off for now until I figure out what I'm gonna do about the shirt.